back here on Barry's Simmy. We were talking the other day, because I was over here getting that motor ready. You know, with this beauty right here. Ta-da! Yeah, I was getting that ready. Anyway, back to the Simmy. This is Simmy video. And we got... I did change the O2 sensor on this months ago. We finally went over for smog, and it actually came back worse. So I'm sitting here like, okay, let's check the EGR, which checked it last time, and everything was operational. Hold on, let me go turn on the video, the light. Anyway, check out EGR, and it's got a vacuum line. But then I get here, and it's got the plastic vacuum bullshit. And note, we're melty, boys and girls. Melty. That's melted shut. So obviously the EGR, no worky. And that runs up into here. We'll pull this off in a bit. Go through all that. But I think I found a problem. Ruh-roh, Raggy. It's a little melty. No es bueno. Alright. So this little piggy didn't go to market, but he goes to the EGR. See? So this is the melty one. And of course, it's a titty. So I'm probably gonna go just get some vacuum line, cut this off, and run it all the way down, around, and through. And then we'll be good to go. Then it'll go back to smog, and it'll probably be clean as shit. And this also explains why it actually ran really well, even without the EGR operating. Because it didn't have a vacuum leak, because that thing's melted shut as opposed to melted in half and sucking air and doing stupid shit. So that's a positive. Really high knocks. This is the end going to the EGR. Of course, it drove perfectly because it did not have a vacuum leak. Because this somehow melted shut instead of just melting apart and open. So that's why it ran perfectly, but just had high knocks. Piece of vacuum hose and we'll be down the road. Back here on the Simmy. Fresh line. Ran it all the way back. Should be problem solved. Put the cover on. We're done.